Conversation about neighbor Conversation about neighbor សន្ទនាពីអ្នកជិតខាង Who is your neighbor? Who is your neighbor? តើអ្នកណាជាអ្នកជិតខាងរបស់អ្នក My neighbor is a university student. He lives next to my apartment. My neighbor is a university student. He lives next to my apartment. អ្នកជិតខាងរបស់ខ្ញុំជានិស្សិតសាកលវិទ្យាល័យគាត់រស់នៅក្បែរផ្ទះល្វែងរបស់ខ្ញុំ When did you become neighbors? When did you become neighbors? តើអ្នកក្លាយជាអ្នកជិតខាងនៅពេលណា I first met him when I moved to this apartment 2 years ago. I first met him when I moved to this apartment 2 years ago. ខ្ញុំបានជួបគាត់ដំបូងនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំផ្លាស់មកនៅផ្ទះល្វែងនេះកាលពី2 ឆ្នាំមុន Is he friendly? Is he friendly? តើគាត់រួសរាយទេ Yes, he is. He always smiles when he sees me. Yes, he is. He always smiles when he sees me. បាទគាត់រួសរាយគាត់តែងតែញញឹមនៅពេលដែលគាត់ឃើញខ្ញុំ How often do you see him? How often do you see him? តើអ្នកឃើញគាត់ញឹកញាប់ប៉ុណ្ណា Every day at the gate. Sometimes I invite him to my apartment when I throw a party. Every day at the gate. Sometimes I invite him to my apartment when I throw a party. ជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃនៅច្រកទ្វារពេលខ្លះខ្ញុំអញ្ជើញគាត់ទៅផ្ទះល្វែងរបស់ខ្ញុំពេលខ្ញុំជប់លៀង Do you have any problems with him? Do you have any problems with him? តើអ្នកមានបញ្ហាខ្លះជាមួយគាត់ទេ Only once when he sang karaoke too loud, which kept me awake all night. We ended up talking to each other the next day, and he never sang karaoke at midnight from then on. Only once when he sang karaoke too loud, which kept me awake all night. We ended up talking to each other the next day, and he never sang karaoke at midnight from then on. តែម្ដងគត់ពេលគាត់ច្រៀងខារ៉ាអូខេខ្លាំងពេកដែលធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ពេញមួយយប់យើងឈប់និយាយរកគ្នានៅថ្ងៃបន្ទាប់ហើយគាត់មិនដែលច្រៀងខារ៉ាអូខេនៅពាក់កណ្ដាលត្រៀតតាំងពីពេលនោះមក Does he usually help you? Does he usually help you? តើគាត់តែងតែជួយអ្នកទេ Yes, he does. He usually helps me run errands. Yes, he does. He usually helps me run errands. បាទគាត់ជួយជាធម្មតាគាត់ជួយខ្ញុំធ្វើកិច្ចការ Would you be sad if he moves to another area? Would you be sad if he moves to another area? តើអ្នកនឹងសោកស្ដាយដែរឬទេបើគាត់ផ្លាស់ទៅតំបន់ផ្សេង Yes, of course. That will upset me if he leaves. Yes, of course. That will upset me if he leaves. បាទវាពិតណាស់វានឹងធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំខកចិត្តប្រសិនបើគាត់ចាកចេញ What's the difference between friends and neighbors? What's the difference between friends and neighbors? តើអ្វីជាភាពខុសគ្នារវាងមិត្តភក្តិនិងអ្នកជិតខាង I'm not quite sure, but I think the difference may lie in the relationship. A friend can be someone you share your feeling with, while a neighbor can just be someone living next door. I'm not quite sure, but I think the difference may lie in the relationship, and a friend can be someone you share your feelings with, while a neighbor can just be someone living next door. ខ្ញុំមិនប្រកាសទេប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំគិតថាភាពខុសគ្នាអាចស្ថិតនៅក្នុងការទំនាក់ទំនងមិត្តភក្តិអាចជាមនុស្សដែលអ្នកចែករំលែកអារម្មណ៍ជាមួយចំណែកអ្នកជិតខាងអាចជាអ្នកដែលរស់នៅក្បែរនោះ What do you need to be a good neighbor? What do you need to be a good neighbor? តើអ្នកត្រូវការអ្វីខ្លះដើម្បីក្លាយជាអ្នកជិតខាងល្អ Being respectful is the most important factor in building a good relationship. Being respectful is the most important factor in building a good relationship. ការគោរពគឺជាកត្តាសំខាន់បំផុតក្នុងការកសាងទំនាក់ទំនងដ៏ល្អ Vocabulary phrases sentences Number 1 live next to my apartment រស់នៅក្បែរផ្ទះល្វែងរបស់ខ្ញុំ Number 2 move to this apartment បានផ្លាស់មកនៅផ្ទះល្វែងនេះ Number 3 he is friendly គាត់រួសរាយ Number 4 throw a party ជប់លៀង Number 5 kept me awake all night បានធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ពេញមួយយប់ Number 6 from then on ចាប់ពីពេលនោះមក Number 7 run errands បំពេញកិច្ចការឬធ្វើកិច្ចការ Number 8 upset me ធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំខកចិត្ត Number 9 being respectful ការគោរព Number 10 building a good relationship ការកសាងទំនាក់ទំនងល្អ Thank you